Uploading PDFs straight to Claude was quietly burning 2,800 tokens per page on my invoicing pipeline, even when the page was 80% whitespace. Open Claude, drag in a 12-page supplier invoice, ask it to extract line items. Worked fine. But watch the token meter. On a real digitally generated invoice I tested last week, Claude consumed around 2,800 tokens per page because PDF upload routes through the Vision pipeline. Every page gets rasterized. White space, headers, footers, blank margins. All of it eats tokens. Multiply that by 500 PDFs a month for a client, and you're looking at a margin problem, not a tech problem. Here's what I switched to. 8 lines of Python using pdfplumber. You open the PDF, loop over pages, call extract asterisk on each one, and you end up with a clean list of plain text strings, one per page. That's it. No vision, no rasterization, no token waste on white space. If you want the full pdfplumber chunking script and the exact extraction prompt I run in production, plus other automations we ship for clients, head to bizflowai.io.